guys, today I'm going to give, so this is a different video. I'm going to give you introductions of Uno. So I'm going to talk about the wild cards, not the whole introductions, just the wild cards. So there's a lot of wild cards. So I'm going to start with, let's see, I think I'm just going to start with the twisty turn ones. So in the twisty turn ones, it reverses your turns or something. So yes, if you have it, so yeah. And now I'm going to show you, and this is the one where you just have to cut your, your turn gets missed. Yes, you really lose. So whoever has the really little cards, just only a little bit cards, they're winning, of course. Yes. And now I'm going to show you all of them. Yes, you see this 2+ sign? This 2+ sign this 2+ sign means you have to take 2 cards. That means you're actually losing. But this is not so losing, but you have to pick up 2 cards, okay, from a pile. So yes. And now I'm going to go to, these ones. So these are the 4+ ones. This time they have 4 pluses on it. Then so you have to take 4 cards from the pile. Of course, yes. You might get one of the wild cards. Yes. Now I'm going to show you this one. So these cards, you can change it to any number, any sign, even any color. So yeah, you can choose a sign, a number, or you can choose a sign and a color, or a number and a color. So this is a really cool card too. Now I'm going to go with this one. I think this is the real wild card. Wild card! Yes. And this one you can just change the color to any color. So there are 4 colors. There is red, blue, green, and yellow. So you can change it into any color you want. So it's a really cool one. So yeah. Okay, which one should I show you now? Wait, I think I'm done. So looks like I'm gonna say bye, guys. Not really. Okay, so I'm going to show you. Now I'm just gonna show you. Seriously. Okay, I'm just going to show you one. So I have a whole pile of these just normal colors. Hey, this one fell. So yeah, that's a big pile. So I'm going to give you one number. So I'm going to give you. So let me give you 4 of these cards and show you. These cards, all of these in this big pile, you see. Those ones are all, so they're all just the simple ones. Not any things you can do it. Just have to give it. Yeah. So one thing is, so let me tell you. So it can be a 1 number, or it can be, okay, I meant is, for example, yeah, I'm just gonna give you an example. So for example, you got 1 from the pile and put it right over here. I hope you guys know to play Uno. I'm not gonna tell you so much about Uno, that's why. So you have to put this one. So the number can be same, or the number can be same, or the color can be same. So you don't actually have to show the cards like this. Yes, I have 7 and it's red. No, you don't have to show it. Okay? According to the rules, you're not supposed to show them at all. And if you really want to see that, that's cheating. So never do cheating, guys. Never. I don't do cheating and anyways. So yeah. Bye guys. See you later. Make sure to give a big thumbs up. Subscribe and like and bye guys. See you later. Yeah. I love Uno. Yeah, it's my favorite game. And bye guys.